In this quick video, I'll show you how to add subscribe button on video. It can be helpful if you want to add that subscribe button on YouTube channel that's actually clickable, so people can click on it and then subscribe to your videos. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Having a clickable subscribe button on your videos, especially on mobile where people can just click on it and subscribe to your channel, is one way to start getting subscribers on YouTube. That's a lot of people don't know about, and in this video I will show you how to do this. So to add a subscribe button, we just need to click on our channel, then we can go to our channel or we can simply go to YouTube Studio. Then we just need to click on this tab which is customization. Then we can simply go to branding section. Here we can upload our channel logo, channel banner and video watermark. Video watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video player. If you upload there any image, people can click on it and then subscribe to your channel, but it must have 150 by 150 pixels. It is recommended by YouTube, but I found out that you can upload more than that. I uploaded 800 by 800 pixels here and it is perfectly fine, but having a perfect square is always good. And you can upload PNG, GIF, JPEG file. It must be 1 MB or less. Now I can simply upload my file. For that I can click here, then select your file. I made this file, it is 800 by 800 pixels. I will select it and then click on open. Now you can see this is my file. It is 800 by 800 pixels, which is good. And also I can adjust these corners according to me. I will simply place it like this and then I can click on done. Now you can see my watermark has been uploaded, but it is not done yet because there are multiple things we just need to make sure. First of all, this is display time. We just need to make sure that where our watermark will appear on our screen. If you want to have it on end of a video, then it will pop up at the end of your video. Also you can set it on custom time. If you want to have it on 10 seconds, then it will pop up on the 10th second of your video. Also you can set it to entire video, then it will be present on your video entire time. And then we just need to click on publish, and now you can see changes published. I can simply go to my channel and then I can simply play any video. I will simply play it and then you can see my subscribe button is here. I can simply subscribe my channel from here. So this is the way you can add subscribe button on your channel. Once you upload your watermark, then you don't need to upload it every time for your video. It will be published for your whole channel. Then every video present on your channel will have this watermark. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching.